What's going on, you guys? Back here with another video, and I just got my new camera. So let's tear into this bad boy, and I'm going to show you the camera and a few of the parts of the camera because I don't even know what it came with. So let's dig in. So here's the package. It's Victor, however you want to say it. 4K Ultra HD. Open the package. You see we have our camera right here. Let's get our camera out. Set that to the side for now. And you see it already came in a case. It's really nice, actually. Even tells you how to open it on the back. That's cool. It's on a mount already. Okay, so there's a locking mechanism that holds it. Yep, there it is. So there's got a little switch, and then it just pries up. This up and get this camera out of here. This is the camera, you guys. Super duper tiny. Got the micro USB, SIM card slot, I got an audio slot. I'm not sure what the other one is, but I'm sure we're gonna figure that out in time. Oh, it's for a battery pack. Okay, that's nice. You can see these two directional buttons right here. We have an OK button at the top, which is not our power button, it's a selection button. Also probably used to start your shot or take a picture. Power button, mode, we got these little plastic pieces on the lenses, but I'm going to leave those on there for now. Alright, so let's see what else is in this box.
Okay, then.
Alright, so back of the box, I'm going to look what's under here. Alright, so got a spare backing for our case. It came with a mic to clip to your shirt so that you can get some up close audio. That's gonna come in handy because I've kind of had, I got an issue with me talking kind of low, which I want to apologize, you guys. I'm a low talker. I'm just monotone by nature. So if you ever guys need me to talk louder, just let me know. Alright, so this is our battery pack here. A lot smaller than I expected. No, it's about right. My eyes are just screwed up. Sorry, you guys. I just woke up. I woke up to the sound of my package rolling up into the driveway. Here's a toggle remote for me to take my picture and start my recording wirelessly. This is going to be really handy. I won't have to work so hard to get those awesome shots. Right here I got another mount. I'm sure this is going to come with various mounts. And I will experiment with them So this is my first camera, so I'm not gonna know too much about these. So I'm gonna be learning with you guys if you don't know either. Got my charging cable right here, which I hope this one charges. I have confidence that it's gonna charge. Because if it doesn't charge, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go nuts. I'm gonna shoot fire out of my hands. More mounts. Pretty sure this one clips on your shirt somehow, but that I'm not too sure. Got another battery, spare. I actually like that. I love having a spare battery. You never know when you're gonna need it. Here's a strap. Like I said, some of this stuff I'm not gonna know how to use, but I will get back to you on that as I learn how to use it. This I kind of learned how to use. This kind of matches up with the thing that was already on there. Just goes in there. Seen this one before. This is like for a bicycle. It's gonna mount to your handlebar. More various straps. Zip ties. That's weird. I don't know why it would have came with zip ties, but I don't know. Maybe it's in the instructions. Just set that to the side. Here's a microfiber cloth for wiping off your screen and lenses. Another variant of a mount. You got a bunch of those different kinds of mounts. I imagine this is I have two things left. I got a spare little door for the battery. That's nice. Never know when you're gonna lose that, especially since it's not tethered. These are like 3M tape pads. Obviously they're not 3M brand, but you get the idea. Also, it's got a little tiny cable in there. I don't know what that's for, but alright, so I'm gonna put most of this back in the box except for the case, the camera, the batteries, and the charging cable. And we're gonna leave this out. And the mic. All this stuff. Okay, so all I got left is the little toggle remote, a charging cable, the mic it came with, which is awesome by the way, and the two batteries it came with. So let's pop one of these batteries in here and see what it do. So unfortunately I won't be able to turn the camera on yet because the instructions tell me I need to make sure the batteries are fully charged. I'm going to charge these things up and I'm going to play with the camera a little bit. Maybe I can get some shots for you guys to compare with, you know, my phone versus this, because this is supposed to be able to do 4K at 30 FPS, which I guess isn't bad considering all the cameras I looked at. It'll do 1080p at 60 FPS, which is good. I'm going to call this a wrap on this video and get back with you guys, so stick with me. And hopefully I've recommended a good camera to you guys. I'm glad I got to show it to you. So anyway, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stick with me to see more. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. There we go. Bye you guys. This one's charging.